Why wouldn't this palindrome test work? A palindrome is a string that reads the same forwards and backwards. Examples of palindromes include LOL, ABBA, radar, and pickle elksip. Indicate whether or not it works under all circumstances described in the following docstring. Return true if string S is a palindrome and return false otherwise. I don't get why this function wouldn't work. To me, it seems as if the function works. Apparently, the booleans are misused, but I don't get how the booleans above are not used properly. Can someone please explain this to me? You always check every single character. You need to return as soon as you know the result definitively.
The way the body of the loop is coded, the values of PAL may change between true and false repeatedly depending on whether a given pair of characters happen to match or not during that particular iteration. Better to check for inequality, set your boolean variable PAL to false and drop out of the loop immediately then. Something like this. Alternatively, without using a boolean variable.
For fun, you could also try the much simpler exercise left to the reader regarding how it works.
Adelmang's solution is very clever, but I'd go with a less enigmatic. At least it does half as many comparisons, winky face.
Fresh